G-Dub is ready to batch these interview videos, not interviews, but it's late, and G-Dub's right there. G-Dub is ready to... Okay. Yeah, then let's end it with that. You want to try it on this one?
Yeah.
This is about negotiating budgets.
Sure.
Okay.
Now you guys are ready.
Anti-marketing. Hey Guru Nation, welcome back. We just wrapped up a podcast, episode 121. If you're not subscribed, you probably are not because you're watching on YouTube or Facebook. You need to. Our best content is on there. Although we have great content for YouTube too, but we just can go. We can go on rants. We can go on rants on the podcast. On YouTube, you kind of want to get in and out. You got to go watch some other stuff. On the podcast, you're on the treadmill. You're in the car. You're cleaning the house.
Mm-hmm.
You have those things in your ear and you don't want to take them out. You don't care what the person's saying. You just want something.
Sure.
It's different. So anyways, today we're talking about remote monitoring and how sponsors are increasingly turning to remote monitoring because of big data, because of AI, because of all kinds of stuff. Reduce costs, technology's better. And because of that, sites, and this is new for everyone, but sites who are new are not negotiating a remote monitoring fee. And I just came from a site, I did an audit over the weekend, and they are not billing for their scanning document activities. They are literally spending hours a week scanning documents so that the monitor can remote view them, which is great for the sponsor.
Oh, sure.
Horrible for the site because this person's not screening patients. This person's not taking care of other studies because they're scanning documents.
And the owner of the site's paying that person to work, in which he's not receiving he or she are not receiving compensation for.
And then when you're scanning documents, you're not doing other things that could be generating revenue.
Yep.
So you don't want to give your high-paid staff these tasks of scanning documents. You want to give it to $12 an hour, $13 an hour, like your entry level, even receptionists. Okay, somebody who can just do those kind of things should be scanning. Take your coordinator, give them the higher value work, right? Not the low-hanging fruit. And then as far as the contract negotiating side, the budget, that's all you.
You gotta ask for it.
Have you asked for it yet?
No, I've yet to see a protocol in which there's remote monitoring involved.
Oh.
But if
sometimes they're sneaky. They do it and they don't tell you. They'll change it up and say, actually, can you scan these instead?
Then it's time to renegotiate, right? I mean, you're paying, right? You're paying somebody to do this, so you need to be compensated fairly for it.
So negotiate.
Yep.
What would you negotiate?
At least $30 an hour, minimum.
Minimum.
They're going to pay what the coordinator makes an hour, right?
Okay.
But if they're not going to pay it hourly, it's going to be a bulk fee, so you're going to
do the math.
Yep, do the math.
If it takes 3 hours a day,
yep,
right? 5 days a week, 15 hours a week.
Well, it's more likely going to be
60 hours a month.
Per visit they're going to pay it, right?
Okay.
So you just need to calculate.
But you can negotiate either way.
Yeah.
You can give them that rationale.
Sure.
So if you can have a rationale for it, you can prove it. Guru Nation, we're swamped with consulting work, so do not email Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Do not call or text 949-415-6256 or Chris at brkthru.org. Don't do that. Right?
Yeah.
Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.